Assalamu alaikum wa rahmatullahi wa barakatuh. From Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala's name, there's one name as Al-Waris, means the inheritor of everything. When this dunya will get all alone, there will be no one in this dunya, there will be no one in this universe, then Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala will be the inheritor of this whole universe. When all the people, all the human beings, all the persons, all the animals and all the living beings of this world will leave this and will go to Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala, then the Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala will be the inheritor of all the things, will be the inheritor of the whole universe. There will be no one in this world. There will be no one in this world. There are many persons, there are many people in this world who are billionaire of this world, who are millionaire of this world, and more people like this in this world who just concentrate in just getting money, growing their properties, growing their risk, and doesn't think that we have to leave all the thing and go to him, means go to Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala. After they're going, the Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala will be the inheritor of everything. They doesn't think that we doesn't have to take anything with us. Did they will take anything with them? No, they'll not take anything with them. Who are the billionaires? They'll not take their properties and their monies to Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala. They'll leave all the thing. They'll leave everything in this world and just go to Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala. That is why after we leaving everything, just the Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala will be the inheritor of everything. And we should just always think of growing our iman, just growing our sawabs, that if we'll grow our sawab, if we'll increase in our iman, we'll just search on Islam, we'll increase our knowledge of iman, then our sawab will get increased. And at that time when we'll go to Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala, that time we'll take that sawabs, we'll take that our iman, how much does we know, and we can answer all the questions of Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala, at the time of our akhirah we'll get Jannah, just because we doesn't concentrate in growing money, growing our properties. We concentrate in growing our iman and growing in our sawabs. That is why don't just think of don't just think of getting money or growing money. Just think of growing sawabs and growing your iman. Allah Hafiz.